Hey everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a cute unicorn. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off, we are going to pick a point. Okay, let's make this the point right here. So what we are going to do is start from here, like draw this line. Okay, like just drag it out like so. Okay, now when you reach about where you want the nose to be, going to bend it like this. Okay, just keep on curving it till you make a round shape. Okay, now when you reach here, this is where it's gonna get tricky. Going to make, like, take it up first and then start curving it down. Okay, then you're gonna take it really down and then just curve it back up like this. Okay, now you can kind of see the face of the horse, basically the nose area and the face area. Okay, and when you're satisfied with this, okay, then what you're going to do is create the neck. So I'm gonna make mine like about this long, I think is enough. Okay, I'm just gonna like end it here, like this is roughly where I want it to end. Okay, so here is where it's gonna have its horn like this. Okay, and just bring it down, okay, about here where I want it to have the horn. Now what I'm going to do is create a ear. Okay, for that just create a curve like shape and then just create another curve like shape. Okay, and now we are going to create another line like this, and what this is basically doing is creating the inner and the outer side of the ear like this. And let's just finish up the nose first. This is pretty easy. It's kind of like creating an S. So just take it inwards first and then just curve it and then just bring it down. Okay, and about here is where its nose is going to be. So let's just create something for the nose. Okay, like I think this is all right. Okay, so that done, what we are going to do here, this point, this middle one, okay, I'm going to create some hair for this unicorn. Okay, so let's just curve and take back and like this. And I'm gonna start here. Okay, I'm gonna create the outer side of the hair first. Okay, for that let's just create like a long strand of hair. Okay, so, and another like long strand of like long hair. Okay, not strands, sorry, I don't know why I kept saying that. Okay, and now I'm going to go in. Okay, and about here. Okay, this is a good place. This is going to go up. Okay, and here we are going to just connect it like so. And like this. Okay, another S-like shape, and then just create another one like so. And here we are like, let me just bring the ear a little bit in. Okay, like this. Then what I want to do is connect it about here. Okay, and let's add a little bit here. Okay, like let's add like a design like this here for our unicorn. So we have this. Now let's just connect this and create a few lines like so. This is a little too shallow. I can't create lines here. Okay, let's just finish it off. Let's create a few lines, curved lines, okay, like so. Let's just create a little more hair like this. Okay, and about here. Okay, let's create an eyelash. Okay, 2 and 3. And here is where we are going to have an eye. So let's make it like this. Okay, and let's add a circle like this and a smaller circle right about here. Okay, let's just color this in real quick. And there you have it. We have our cute little unicorn. Now this was the drawing one, the drawing tutorial, and in the next one I will show you how to color this in Illustrator. So thanks for watching as always, and like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, and watch the other videos on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Peace.